Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to access GNS3 device from our LAN segment. So in this case, I am going to use the NAT interface or the VMNet 8 interface of VMware. So I'll be creating the blank project and naming it as accessing GNS3 router from LAN. Okay, then I'll drag and drop one router into the topology. In addition to that, I'll be dragging and dropping a cloud as well. So here I'll be selecting the local server of desktop. I'll be closing this one. I'll be just reducing. This is not possible. Okay, fine. I'll be just sliding this off. So I'm connecting the routers fast Ethernet 0 by 0 to cloud interface Ethernet. Sorry. I was telling about VMNet 8. Sorry. I'll be just deleting this by right clicking on it and clicking delete. I'll be selecting the cloud configure option. There I'll be deleting the Ethernet option and I'll be adding special interface VMNet 8 apply. Okay. So I'll be selecting the connector connecting between routers fast Ethernet 0 and VMNet adapter VMNet 8. I'll be starting the router and wait for it to boot. So the router is booting right now. So basically you can consider this video as how to connect a router or how to connect a switch and make it available on your LAN. This is a basic thing which you have to do as a network engineer. Even you're a L1 guy, L2 guy, L3 guy. Basically, you can do any sort of stuff only after getting it in your network. You cannot do everything over the console. Console is very slow, and there will be many drawbacks when you are doing advanced level configurations. Like say you are copy pasting a 500 or 600 line ACL into that. The console can get hang because it's working over a serial cable and the amount of data it can transfer in a particular second is very less when compared to other forms of transport. So we have got the connection towards R1's console. So first I'll go to the configuration mode. First thing is to enable password Cisco service service password encryption. Service and password encryption, what it does is that it will encrypt everything, I mean every password, and make sure that nobody can see what exactly is the password you have given inside the device. The next thing which you have to define is a domain name, IP domain hyphen name. We'll define it as abc.local. The next thing which we want to do is to enable crypto key generate RSA modulus 1024. This will generate a 1024-bit RSA key, and you can see that the RSA key is created and SSH version 1.99 is enabled. We'll make it version 2 by IP typing the command ipssh version 2. Okay. So after that, we have to create a username Sandeep, privilege 15, password Cisco. Then we have to make sure that we are able to access it from the VTY line. So we'll go to line VTY. We are defining 5 lines. So it will be from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will make transport input SSH and transport output. We are not going to SSH from here. So transport output will be none. The other thing which we are going to define here is what type of authentication or login will be used here. So we will make login via local username. We'll exit it to right. We'll check the IP address configuration. We can see that the interface is down and shut down. So we'll enable the interface first. Interface fast Ethernet 0 bar 0, no shutdown, IP address DHCP. Description LAN connectivity. Sorry, LAN connectivity. So you can see that a new IP address is assigned now, and we will try to access the router via this new IP address, which is a VMNet 8 IP address file. You connect, we'll just paste the host name, connect. You can see that the connection was a little bit slow. We will click on accept and save. Username is Sandeep and password is Cisco. So I have logged into router one's SSH console, and I hope this particular video was really informative for you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon for my latest.